Hello guys, Mambo VP. Welcome back to the channel. Simon says Jambo. And today we're gonna do a little bit comparison between Congolese and Tanzanians on how they count numbers. Although they all count the same, there are some sort of preferences when it comes to 20s going up. So let's see. 20, makumi mbili, 30, makumi tatu, 40, makumi nne, 50, makumi tano, 60, makumi sita, 70, makumi saba, 80, makumi nane, 90, makumi tisa, 100. Namba yako pendwa ni ipi? What is your favorite number? Drop it down below. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Kwaheri.